Dikembe Mutombo, Basketball Hall of Famer, joining us here on Keyshawn, J. Will, and Max on ESPN Radio and ESPN2. Dikembe, you've done so much in your life inside and outside of basketball, being a pioneer. What would winning the Stuart Scott ENSPIRE Award really mean to you?
First, I want to say thank you so much for having me at the show. Winning Stuart Scott Award from ESPN, it means a lot to me. It just translates to all of the work that I've been doing in the last 30-some plus years, involving with the NBA care, traveling to Africa, building the hospital, which have served more than 1 million women and children. Now, I built a school last year through my foundation, which is serving right now kindergarten all the way to 6th grade. So I'm very happy with the work I'm doing. I'm very happy with the recognition that I've been getting, especially one from ESPN and ESPN.
Dikembe, I'm curious, with the influx of players from Africa coming into the NBA, where do you see that going for the future of basketball in Africa?
I think our future looks great. The number of the players coming from Africa to the NBA will continue to rise. NBA have invested a lot in the continent of Africa. Right now, as we are talking, we just have invested more than $1 billion, starting with African Basketball League, which is growing very well. And we have the kids are playing basketball all over the continent. We are building more basketball courts. So we will see that number continue to go up. And we just want to improve the living condition of the people in the continent through the game of basketball.
Dikembe, as you look at the NBA today, and the game has certainly changed from when you had your illustrious Hall of Fame career in the NBA, how would your game in today's NBA translate?
Oh, the game have not changed much. Only thing they have changed, I will say that there's just more threes have been taking on the basketball court. And the pace of the game have changed a little bit with the speed. But if you look at when I came in the 90s, the game was a little bit faster from the West Coast. It was a little bit of tempo game from the East Coast. Now you see both conferences are playing almost in the same tempo. And I think that was a big adjustment. But it's kind of different. I just would love to see more defenses being played as we see in the playoff than we don't see in the regular season.
I would love to see more defense too, but the landscape the landscape of the game, Dikembe, has changed. It's so much, not just from the versatility of players and their skill sets ultimately, but still to players and their time spent with franchises. What are your thoughts on the whole Kevin Durant Brooklyn Nets situation about requesting a trade? And Adam Silver made a comment the other day talking about, obviously, this is something that they are going to need to address in the next collective bargaining agreement that's coming up in 2023, 2024.
I definitely agree with the commission. You know, as a player, the former player myself, you know that when you sign a contract, you have a duty to obey to your contract and try to finish your contract, or you let the team make a decision on what they want to do and which direction you want to do. So what we're seeing right now is a little bit different, where guys are waking up in the morning and say, I don't want to be here, you know, which is kind of strange to me because it all got to do with the era that I played. Michael Jordan, Patrick Ewing, David Robinson, Hakeem Olajuwon, all those guys who played before, they didn't wake up in the morning and say, oh no, I don't want to be in Chicago, I don't want to be in New York. That was their home, that was their team, and that's where you want to build your legacy. But now it's kind of different, and I think the commission is right. Things need to be addressed. They need to have a conversation with the union to see how far are we going with this thing.
Curtis hit us on Twitter saying Dikembe Mutombo is an inspiration and role model. He has always been active in making the world a better place. There's absolutely no doubt about that. He is a 2022 Stuart Scott Inspire Award honoree, part of the ESPYs. He is Basketball Hall of Famer Dikembe Mutombo. Hit him on Twitter at Official Mutombo, joining us here on Keyshawn, Jay, Will, and Max. Mr. Mutombo, an absolute pleasure. Continued success. Keep up the great work, and thank you so much for giving us your time today, my friend.
Thanks, Dikembe.
Thank you for having me. Thank you for lifting me up and encouraging me to continue to do all the work that I've been doing around the world. On behalf of the NBA, we want to say thank you.
Our pleasure, brother. Keep lifting us up, and we'll follow right behind you when it comes to Dikembe Mutombo, Basketball Hall of Famer, joining us here on Keyshawn, Jay, Will, and Max. Don't forget the ESPYs airing live on ABC on July 20th at 8 p.m. Eastern Time.
Thanks for watching ESPN on YouTube. For live streaming sports and premium content, subscribe to ESPN+.